Welcome to today's video. I'm Trust and this is a TS Tech Talk video. So on today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a talking avatar. So what it actually means is you are going to create a character that will be talking instead of you. So but then we are going to need multiple things. So this is actually going to help you to create a full video on YouTube. Now, I'm not going to show you guys all of the process, but I'm just going to show you how to make a talking avatar. Now, we are doing this and I'm going to use free tools, and let's get on with it. So first open a browser and then go ahead and type in this particular URL. This is going to be 11 Labs. Now we can use 11 Labs to create a talking or a text to speech rather. So I already have my test, so I'm going to paste it here.
When we seek to discover the best in others, we somehow bring out...
I clicked on play by mistake. Highlight everything, select all, and then paste. Now this is actually what I have pasted, and then we can actually play it to know if it actually what we want. And we can actually change the person or the character that we want to use. There are multiple persons, but I think I'm actually okay with this person. So let's play it. So when you click on play, it's going to render, it's going to take time to render the speech or the voice, and then it's going to start playing. All right, guys, it has completed, so let's test it.
Today, we stand on the brink of new opportunities and challenges. As we navigate the path ahead, let us draw inspiration.
All right, the test is actually long. This is the test. You can see today we stand on the brink of new opportunities and challenges. And now you can also click on this to choose if you want a different voice. Just play around it till you are satisfied. And now if you are okay, click on download. I already have this downloaded, so there is no need for me downloading it. Now the next thing or the next place we need to go is actually our avatar, or let's say our character. So click on the Bing image. If you do not have it, go to Google, download Bing, and Bing is going to give you this Bing image generator, or you can just download Copilot. It's the same thing. They later changed the name. The latest name is Copilot. Now click on the image generator, and under the image generator you can ask it to create an image for you. Now let me show you guys the previous one I've created. Most times this might actually take a while for you to create, and this is actually the one I choose. This is the one I like. You can type in this same thing. This is actually the prompt I use. A teenage boy seated facing the camera, placed a laptop beside, and then beside them on the table, and added a sticky note and a cup beside the table. And you can read all of this, and if you are okay to use it, feel free to copy it out or type it out and use it. It's actually easy. So when you click on generate, it might not give you the image you want. Just keep generating until you get what you want. I do not want to use this. I think I'm actually okay with this meme or this anime. I actually love it. You can choose this if that is what you want, or anyone you want. Then next, guys, go over to Android Play Store and download DID. I already have it on my device, but if you do not have it, just go over to Android Play Store. You might see some application that looks like it. Just type in DID, and then it's going to display different options. This is the exact application right there. Go ahead and download it. Once you have it downloaded, click on open to have it open. Now this is actually what is going to make our image to come to life, and it can also generate text for you. You can see I've actually done this already, but let's go ahead and do it again. Click on create, and then click on your avatar. Create your avatar. You can either choose their existing avatar, that is if you want, but if you do not want, you can see they have multiple avatar. But if you do not want, just click on create and then upload, or you take a photo, that is if you want. I'm going to click on select and then go to gallery, and it should be under downloads, and I'm going to choose this. This is the image. It's going to take a while and it's going to render the image. So after it renders the image, it's going to display. I think let me cancel that and select again. I think what it just chose, okay, yes, it's correct. So click on the image, allow it to load up, and once it loads up, we can now start editing and adding our script to it. All right, guys, so you can see the guy looking good, and now the next thing to do is to add your script. So you can type in your script or paste your script right here, and then click on done. So it's going to generate If you click on play, you can hear how it's generated it.
We stand on the brink of new opportunities and challenges. As we navigate the path,
you can hear the voice, right? If you are not okay or satisfied with the voice, you can click on it and then click on the drop down area to just be sure of what you've selected. So if you are okay with that, just go ahead and settle with it. But if you want something different, you can choose on voice to choose the exact voice. This first one is Ezinne, and you can choose it to Abiu. Then click on done. So it's going to generate the voice in a male voice for you. Let's play that also.
Of new opportunities and challenges. As we navigate the path ahead, our collective strength and determination.
So you can hear how the voice of the boy sounds, right? Or rather the boy and the girl. So you can either choose that, but if you do not want to choose that, you can actually go ahead and delete everything. Let's delete everything because we already decided not to use that. Now the reason why I'm not using it is because I think the one from the 11 Lab sounds better. So highlight everything and then you click on import. Now if you click on import, you notice it says import using audio. Click on import file. So click on audio section so that it's going to display the audio section, and you can see right there, this is my 11 Lab downloaded audio. So I can click on that to have it import. Now you can notice it's being imported into 11 Lab, into DID Studio. So once you finish importing into the application, we can say use, or you can just play it to confirm the sound.
Today we stand on the brink of new opportunities.
You can see how smooth that voice sounds like. If you are okay with that, go ahead and click on use voice. Now you can notice the voice is displayed. You can also change the background if that is what you want to do, but I think I'm actually okay with my background, so I'm going to leave that. Now the next thing you need to do is to click on next. So when you click on next, it's going to take the process to generate your image. Then after it finishes generating your image, you can now click on share. You can now click on download, but first let's click on generate image. So it's going to take 2 cents or 2 token or 2 coin every time it generates an image. So when it finishes generating an image, you can download it. So this is actually the previous one I generated. If you click on the 3-dotted icon, you will see an option to download it, so you can click on download. I did this 3 times because I was trying to test and see how it works. I tested with the voice, original voice for the 2. I tested with 11 Lab AI 2, and it works perfectly well. And let me show you guys the one I have generated earlier this morning. So I think it should be saved on DID. Okay, for some reason I can't find it on DID and still not here. So let's allow it to complete. Once it completes, I'll be able to see where the image or where the video is being saved. Alright guys, so let me download this one that just finished right now. Download. Alright, you can see it said the image has been saved, and I actually did not pay attention. It was actually saved on the DCIM. So click on the DCIM and play.
Today we stand on the brink of new opportunities and challenges. As we navigate the path ahead, let us draw inspiration from our collective strength and determination. Together, we can overcome obstacles and achieve greatness.
Alright guys, so that is it, and this is actually the previous one.
We stand on the brink of new opportunities and challenges. Draw inspiration from our collective strength and determination.
It's actually the same thing, apart from the fact that the voice that was generated from DID actually sound more African. But even though it sound more African, it sounds like an African learning English language. Because even me speaking, I'm actually an African, and I'm very fast compared to what this video is saying. It's not actually every African that is actually slow or learning English. But I think the one from 11 Lab is actually better. And also, if I train the AI to understand me, it's actually going to sound better on 11 Lab. So guys, let me know what you think about this. And also, the most interesting thing is how it animates the mouth movement and the body movement. On a different video, I'm going to show you guys a different method and also a different way to actually create a talking avatar. So see you guys on my next video. Stay safe and peace.